What is compression and for what do I need a compressor? In easy words, a compressor helps you to make your mix louder. It catches peaks of some sounds and helps you to raise the overall volume of your mix. Let's have a look. Here we have two simple layers. One is playing my kick drum and one is my drum rack. Nothing special at all. In this tutorial I will show you the basics on a compressor. For sure there are many more functions and details, but they will be explained in another tutorial. So let's have a look. The first parameter is threshold. This is the level when the compressor starts working on the signal. Gain reduction is the amount of processing the compressor does, and output is the output volume after the process. Ratio defines the amount of compression that happens. Attack is the time until the compressor starts working. This is interesting for transients, for example on very high and fast signals like hi-hats. You will for sure need another time than on a bass playing. And release is the time the compressor needs to stop working. Let's listen to the loop. Now we start to put in the threshold of the compressor. As you hear, we are losing a lot of volume, but the positive effect you can see in this waveform view. Without the compressor, it catches the peaks. With this setting, the compressor is only processing the clap. If we go on less threshold, it will also process the hi-hat. In this loop I just want to compress the clap a little bit in the group. I lost a lot of volume. Let's compare it and give a little bit of extra output gain. With this setting, I try to catch just the transients of the clap. It's also interesting to use the compressor in parallel mode. For this you can use the dry and wet button. It mixes between the dry signal unprocessed and the processed signal. A compressor is one of the basic tools you should use. Next to the EQ, it's one of the essentials. You should use it on many tracks, especially on the ones with signals with high peaks to catch them. At the end, if you use it right, you win a lot of overall volume on your mix.